Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Just got off the phone with Chief. We've been listening to the Furry War. In order of 6-9, we've been listening to the 69th Battalion. Gamers, let's go. Soldier, status report.
There's always a bigger fish, General.
Alright, soldiers, on my mark. You gotta stay up! Prison maneuver! Oh, son of a bitch! Complete the mission! Fuck!
You goddamn furry piece of shit, I'll see you, you dumb son of a bitch!
Good work, team.